I'm saying? You should never keep your back to the block. But I'm gonna tell you straight up, man, music out here nowadays, shit is kind of weird, man. Niggas talk about how real they are. Niggas like fucking Kasso and shit. Nigga, I'm real.
Bro, why you got another nigga name in your mouth, bro?
Cause nigga, they talk about how real they are. Niggas ain't real. Niggas is out here fake, bro.
How he not real, bro?
Bro, look at us. We on the block right now. We chilling. We doing our thing. Where he at? Nowhere to be found. He ain't shit.
How that make him less real than you?
Nigga, cause we out here. We getting this shit, man.
Getting what?
Getting it. Just straight getting it,
Niggas
bro.
ain't getting nothing.
All right. I ain't getting paid?
You ain't getting shit, nigga.
Right.
What the fuck you got on this block, nigga?
Man, what you mean what I got? Nigga, I got on shorts and a t-shirt. What else I need?
By choice, nigga.
By choice.
And look what I'm wearing.
Right,
By
nigga.
choice,
Right.
nigga.
Whatever,
what are you talking about?
Whatever, man. See, I told you, look at him. He's just showing up in a fucking Porsche.
What up, P?
With a cutie in the car. Hey. How you?
He ain't say shit to you, nigga. What up, boy?
Yo, what's up, big homie? How you doing? You good?
Dap this nigga up. This nigga was running his mouth all crazy and shit.
No, I wasn't.
This nigga's a bitch ass nigga. Don't worry about
First,
this nigga.
I don't run my mouth.
You know I don't hand daps his bitch ass nigga.
I don't run my.
Fuck that nigga.
I don't run my.
Peace, bro. Be
I was running my mouth.
Bro, get the fuck out of here, bro.
Come
get
on,
off
man.
The block, bro.
I'm about to be. Come on, man. You ain't going. Nah.
Bro, get off the block, bro.
Right.
Don't even dap me up no more.
Oh, word.
Yeah, nigga. Fuck out of here.
I'm about to be late for work. Look at this fucking car. Car ugly.
Nigga don't hand me daps, I got a plan for rap. Come with extendos attached. I know we brothers, but hit undercover, I'm good on that. Yeah, nigga don't hand me daps, I got a plan for rap. Come with extendos attached. I know we brothers, but hit undercover, I'm good on that. Yeah, niggas think I'm lacking when I'm not. Pay attention to them when they plot. Keep the ammunition in a Glock. Everybody waiting for the drop. Killing competition like the locks. Double vision got them on the ops. Run through niggas, bitches on the block. Pillow talking, swallow in the cock. I'ma put their bodies in the box. Feeling stronger, got me like an ox. At the bottom, aiming for the top. Some of you niggas make me wanna pop. I ain't dropping names, it's a lot. Everybody love you when you hot. I ain't dapping no one in the spot. Gritty niggas love it hot. Pop. Nigga don't hand me daps. I got a plan for rap. Come with extendos attached. I know we brothers, but hit undercover, I'm good on that. Yeah, nigga don't hand me daps. I got a plan for rap. Come with extendos attached. I know we brothers, but hit undercover, I'm good on that.
Splash for my enemies, amen. Tryna get the power, you know how I rock, but we came up bringing that pain in. From young niggas putting that pain in. Me and Kasso gon' blow it out all like Picasso. Niggas came for the throne, they ain't hot though. Flesh and cheap, but that re-up is nachos. You should stop, bro. From the bottom, now we at the top though. Niggas claiming they king, I did not know. For that beef, cut your shell like a taco. Been the man, nigga, even my pops know. Did it all off the rhyming, we used to eat ramen. I guess you could tell how this shit changed. Now it's calamari, nigga, just for warning. You could die playing with us like the Squid Games. Oh man, boy, I was told if it no man. Boy, hit that booth and he go win. Saying he hot as me, no man. Boy, I wouldn't shake your hand with a broke hand. Niggas say I'm the hottest from here, so fuck all of that being modest from here. And they trash, I'm just being honest from here. And I bought my niggas, say we got it from here.
Nigga don't hand me daps, I got a plan for rap. Come with extendos attached. I know we brothers, but hit undercover, I'm good on that. Yeah, nigga don't hand me daps, I got a plan for rap. Come with extendos attached.